The Jetboil MiniMo Portable Stove delivers very fast boil times while using noticeably less fuel than many traditional backpacking setups, which is a big advantage on longer trips. Its precise flame control lets you move smoothly from a gentle simmer to a strong boil, making it unusually good for real cooking instead of just rehydrating meals. The short, wide cooking cup with sturdy metal handles is comfortable to hold and eat from, and the low sidewalls make it easy to use a spoon without awkward angles. An integrated push-button igniter means you can light the stove quickly without digging for a lighter, which is especially helpful in cold or early morning conditions. The entire system nests neatly inside the cooking cup, including the burner and accessories, so it packs down compactly and keeps your gear organized in your backpack. Thoughtful extras like the stabilizer, measuring and eating cup, and secure lid make the MiniMo feel like a complete personal cooking kit rather than just a bare burner.